Welcome to Learn Malayalam Basics. In this video, we are dealing with some useful phrases in Malayalam. First one, hello. Hello translates to Namaskaram in Malayalam. Namaskaram. 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 Hello. Namaskaram. If you want to ask someone, how are you? It translates to Sukhamano. 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 If you want to answer to that question as well, I'm fine. I'm fine translate to Enike Sukhamana. Enike stands for I am. Fine stands for Sukhamana. Enike Sukhamana. Yes. Yes translate as Ade. Athe. Ade. Ade. No or not, both have the same meaning. Allah. Allah. Please. Dayavai. Please meaning Dayavai. 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 If you want to say I don't know, just say Enike Arilla. Enike Arilla. Enike means I don't know. Enike Arilla. If you want to say I don't know Malayalam, then say Enike Malayalam Arilla. Malayalam or Malayalam Enike Arilla. Malayalam Enike Arilla. I am sorry. When you are asking sorry for your fault, then it will be Ennode Kshemichalum. Ennode Kshemichalum. If you are responding to a bad news, then I am sorry become Kashtamai Poi. Kashtamai Poi. Kashtamai Poi. I am sorry become Kashtamai Poi. For more lessons in Malayalam, subscribe to my channel in YouTube. Share with your friends and family if you like this video. Thank you.